In this video I'm going to show you how you can simply find the best working Aliexpress promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, it can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. Then go to google.com and in the search field just enter Aliexpress promo code and hit search. It will show up you different websites that offers promo codes, and from here you can enter on any website and there you can check the coupons. As you can see here, I got 26 coupons. I can scroll down to see them all, but as usual the best offers is on the first positions. So there I can see, for example, that this coupon gives me $25 off. I can hit here at more details to see the additional information, and then I can hit at show coupon to see the coupon. Here I can tap on that icon to copy it to my clipboard, and also I can tap on get coupon to move to Aliexpress website. There I can make purchases, and once you are ready to pay money, don't forget to enter the promo code, and please double check that this promo code is applied. If for some reason promo code doesn't work, you can go back to that site or to another site and try to use another promo code from here. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.